Does your tractor talk to you? Mine does. Or actually it will when we're done with this video. Stay tuned. This is going to be fun. Welcome back to the channel. This is the John Deere Tractor PLUS app. You can get it on your phone, either Apple or Android. It's free. This is the module that allows the tractor to talk with this. It's done via Bluetooth, and why this is important, why this is useful, this plugs directly into the service port on your tractor. It's connected through Bluetooth, and really cool things. It'll give you trouble codes, it'll help you with that. It'll also give you parts diagrams, engine information, and it's applicable for the John Deere 1 through 4 series. It's the BXX10255. You can even add your implements on there. This is going to tell you when service is due. Every time your tractor is serviced, it's going to become part of the record. So, gee, when did I change my oil last? You can look at your soot level. You can look at how many hours are on the tractor. There's a host of wonderful information. And installation is super simple. Let me show you. All right, we're in the tractor cab now, and I've pretty much got the tractor tore apart. Let me show you. So I've got the cowling off, and the reason is because I am doing some wiring to the tractor. I'm going to be installing some work lights, etc., and we'll have that in an upcoming video. So I figured this was the perfect time to install this. So you take the cowling off, and if you're unaware, there are clips where you can remove it. Just set that aside. And down here is the service port. All right. If you see here, there's 3 holes along the side here, 3 holes. That corresponds 3 holes you see at the top. So this is where you want to plug it in. You're going to plug it in, and you're going to turn it to the right to lock it in. So let's do that now. All right, we're plugged in, and now I've plugged the module in, and what you want to do is push that red piece down and it locks it in. The module that I just showed you going through the firewall, what I actually had to do was to reach in the back side and around the front to hold it in to keep it from popping through. The retention little pins on it, slots are just not worth much. So if you run into that problem, just reach around and you'll be able to get it in. So now what I'm going to do is put a couple ties on that to keep that from moving around. Okay, but honestly, I had it all hooked up, the blue light was blinking, and I went to connect it to my phone and I got nothing. And I think I figured out why. Let me show you. All right, so we're under the tractor now, and here is the manufacturer's label with your VIN number. This is what you need to scan. There's a process in the app setup that will tell you to either manually enter your VIN number or to scan it. I manually entered it first. I probably screwed it up. I really don't know. But then I scanned this, and it's working fine. And let me show you. I think I'm really going to love this. You can see all the different categories. There it's telling you that you are connected. It even gives you your hour meter. You can get parts diagram in this app as well, and certainly that can come in handy. Taking it to the next screen tells me I've got some maintenance due. Also gives me trouble codes, so we'll take a look at those. This is a really neat feature. Gives you a map and a history of where you've been with your tractor. I think this is going to be kind of fun. Then explains the codes, which we'll talk about in just a moment. And finally, we're going, it's telling me some maintenance that I've got due and how often we want to do that. You can go into the various sections of your owner's manual, the PTO, the differential, and then kind of a snapshot of where you are, fuel level, fuel temperature. Of course, the PTO is off in this, number of hours. So as far as the inactive codes, I've learned that as your tractor is being set up by the dealer, it will trigger some of these codes. If you get them, of course, research it, but I wouldn't be overly concerned about these. Hey, this is really, really cool. I'm going to love this. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I actually got this through Amazon. You can go right to your dealer and get this as well. It's just additional diagnostic information that's going to be helpful. I also have to say thank you. The response from you guys has been absolutely tremendous. The subscribers, we love the thumbs up. You know, thumbs up is how YouTube determines how and when a video is going to be seen. And thank you so much for all that. God bless you all, and thanks for watching Tractors in Life.